What I loved about Knockout, and one of the reasons I hired them, is because they're a one-stop shop. They do everything. They put me at ease immediately. They told me they're very experienced working with condos and co-ops. They know what it's like to work with different boards across the city. So having looked at the portfolio of who they've worked for, I knew they were going to be able to solve all the issues and all the concerns that I had about requirements that the condo board asked of us. Extremely easy to work with. Super loved working with Knockout. He said he's never worked with a company that was so together. I didn't have to do searching for an architect. I didn't have to play general contractor like I have in the past. That was a huge benefit. It was a very simple process. They had a timeline. They had days scoped out where I would come and take a look at the progress. Quality. I mean, it was amazing. We would come and inspect, and every single time they exceeded our expectations every single time we came to look and check it out. Anyone working with Knockout, I think they do a superb job. Very, very happy. It feels like I've lived here forever. I highly recommend Knockout Renovation for any remodeling work or renovation work you need. Great people to work with.